Hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. I like to do a tutorial on arc length and circumference. First concept, the perimeter of a circle is called a circumference. If a circle has radius r, the circumference is given by the formula c equals 2 times pi times r, where pi is a constant approximately equal to 3.14. The length of arc AB equals the measure of arc AB divided by 360 times 2 times pi times r. Example 1, the radius of a circle P equals 5. Find the circumference of the circle and the length of a 30-degree arc. We'll call it arc AB. So we write down what we know, and for the formula for circumference, we get C equals 2 times pi times r. We can plug in r equals 5 into this formula to get circumference equals 10 times pi. Now, the length of arc AB equals measure of arc AB divided by 360 times 2 times pi times r by the formula for an arc length. The length of arc AB is equal to 30 divided by 360 times 10 pi, which is equal to 5 times pi divided by 6. Example 2, we're given this figure above here. OA equals 10, OD equals 10, OB equals 6, and OC equals 6. Arc AD and arc BC are semicircles with center O. Find the perimeter of the figure above. So we're only going to do the perimeter of the non-dotted line, so to be specific with that. So write down what we know, and we know the measure of arc AD equals the measure of arc BC equals 180 degrees, because a semicircle measures 180 degrees. By the between its property segments, we have length of OA equals length of OB plus length of BA, and length of OD equals length of OC plus length of CD. By substitution, we get length of BA equals 4, and length of CD equals 4. The length of arc AD equals the measure of arc AD divided by 360 times 2 times pi times r. The length of arc AD is equal to 180 divided by 360 times 2 times pi, and then since we're looking at this semicircle here, we're going to use radius OA, which is 10, so we plug in 10, and then we do some simplification, we get 10 pi. And then we do the same to find length of arc BC, and for length of arc BC, we're using the smaller radius 6, so we get length of arc BC equals 180 divided by 360 times 2 times pi times 6. After simplification, we get 6 times pi. The perimeter of the figure is going to be equal to length of BA plus length of CD plus length of arc AD plus length of arc BC. So when we put all this stuff together, we should get 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 10 pi plus 6 pi is 16 pi. So we get 8 plus 16 times pi. Example 3, we're given a square ABCD and a semicircle AB. We're given that AB equals 10. Find the perimeter of the non-dotted line. So we write down what we know. The measure of arc AB equals 180 degrees, because the semicircle measures 180 degrees. The length of arc AB equals measure of arc AB divided by 360 times 2 times pi times r by the formula for arc length. From the figure, we see that AB is a diameter. The length of a radius is going to be 1/2 the length of diameter, so length of the radius is going to be length of AB divided by 2, so 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So the length of arc AB equals 180 divided by 360 times 2 times pi times 5, and we do some simplification, we get 5 pi. So the perimeter of the non-dotted line is equal to length of AC plus length of CD plus length of BD plus the length of arc AB. So we know that ABCD, this thing here, is a square, so all sides are congruent, and therefore the lengths of all sides are going to be the same, right? So we know AB equals 10, so all these other sides are going to be 10 too. So the perimeter of the non-dotted line is going to be 3 times 10, so 10 plus 10 plus 10, which is 30, plus 5 pi for the length of arc AB. So 30 plus 5 times pi. So this video is pretty short. I will do a challenging problem tomorrow, in a separate video. I just wanted to get to this concept today because it's pretty important. Actually, it's probably just about the most important concept you're going to learn in geometry. So I want you to look it over, and you can go over the video more than once if you need to. Alright everyone, well have a good night, and I hope to see you during my next tutorials. Alright, bye.